Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to change or set your PC or laptop date and time. If your computer or laptop date and time function is not working properly, then you can change date and time. I will show you a simple and easy method through which you can easily change or set your PC date and time automatically. Keep watching the complete video. I will show you a simple and easy method. So let's get started. First of all, click on your laptop date and time. After that, scroll upward and click on adjust date and time. By clicking on adjust date and time, you will see that here you can see that we can easily change our PC laptop date and time. If we turn on this folder, it will automatically change your date and time or set your date and time of your laptop when your laptop or PC connect to the internet. By clicking on this option, your PC or laptop will automatically set its date and time when your PC is connected to the internet connection. If you want to change date and time manually, you can off this option, and now you can change it manually. Here you can see that from here you can select of your country in which you are living. So if I select Islamabad, Karachi, then it will automatically change its date and time when it connect to the internet. So this is the simple and easy method through which you can easily change your PC or laptop date and time. If you select this option, it will automatically change your PC or laptop date and time when it connected to the internet. Or if you want to change it manually, then you have to turn off this option and change it manually by clicking on this option. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys later. Bye.